Okay, here we are with the next step on the 95 Jaguar XJ Vanderpla rear shock replacement and this all-important upper bushing, which is actually kind of hard to get too. It's rubber, and when it gets old, it turns into that stuff right there, which is like goo. I'm going to show you that right now. So the next step is you have to lower the spring, put a pair of vice grips in there around the shaft of the shock, as you can see right there. Shaft. Anyway, got that. And then the nut, which in this case is a 17, I think, metric on a standard car. It's British, remember. And we're going to carefully remove the shock mounting nut. They almost always come off. And then more importantly, make sure you remember the order of all of this stuff. You got this washer, little concave washer on the top, like so. And you have this bushing. I'm sorry, there's not much bushing left right here. As I was telling you, this is goo, and you're gonna have to remove all of that. All of that has to come off. And that's the whole point of this. Without this bushing on here, you would put everything else in, including these fiber washers. One here, one here. I'm sorry, one here and one on top, which is gone, long gone, as you can see. Don't forget the order. Concave down. Bushings here is gone. We got replacements. One at the bottom is right here. There's a very important spacer. They give you a new one in this set. You don't always get that. Bottom washer, don't forget that. And of course this washer is for the bellows, which I don't need because I have a shock with more modern steel metal cover. And of course this is the part that goes under that plate, which is a piece of plastic, very important. Otherwise it won't be able to move around. And so the next step is, I don't have to show you this, but I'm going to be taking all this goo out. So the way I do it is I'm going to manually use this putty knife. Then we're going to use this nice high-speed brush, which makes it a lot easier. We're going to have to get this, and we're going to have to get this plate also. And you need something to break the goo down after you get it all down, because it's a little bit sticky. Denatured alcohol to the rescue. That takes it right off. So I'll get back to you when I have it all done. You don't need to see how to clean it. I think you all know how to do that.